Way to go. And a pretty nice even beginning to searching for the leader. 3 runners are fighting it out for the early bird. In the middle portion to grab the lead alongside Concepcion. Batang Baclaran is running in third, down 2 lengths behind him for this Jade Master. Jersey Crown is racing in feet. Then comes Tulos Express. Rise up, third last, second last, Two Bigat Langis, while No Regret is running at the tail of the field. Concepcion, early bird, now matching strides together as they pass the half-mile pole. Keep on fighting it out for the lead. Concepcion, early bird, then running now in third we have Jade Master, and in fourth we have Batang Baclaran racing in fifth, Jersey Crown. Two Bigat Langis, Tulos Express, Rise Up, and No Regret now bringing up the rear. Keep on fighting it out for the lead. Concepcion and early bird, Concepcion closing in third. Now is a long shot, Jade Master. Batang Baclaran also coming back once again. 3:50 to trouble, early bird, Concepcion. Keep on fighting it out for the lead. Then coming in closer now is a Batang Baclaran and Jade Master. Now we got early bird moves up. This time leads by about 3 lengths. Entering the finish line, it's going to be early bird. Jade Master, Batang Baclaran, close for fourth. Rise Up, Concepcion. Then comes Two Bigat Langis, Jersey Crown, No Regret, Tulos Express.
Alright, yan ang nalyamano for race number 5. Unofficial winner, early bird, direnda ni Jonathan Vasco Hernandez. Then ang segundo yung 5 Bihado, Jade Master. Then uno, Batang Baclaran,
Express.
na lang preba ni early bird sa 1400 meters, 124.6, clips of 13 and a half, 22 and a half, another 22 and a half, finishing at 26 for unofficial winner number 2. That's the favorite early bird, ordered on J.I.G. Magno, and ang trainer Mr. Dodic Vicente, and expert ridden by Jackie J.B. Hernandez. Sipin Borbon out of Lady Color ang lahi. Early bird number 2.